it fits really, really freaking nice. It does make me feel kind of homely. This right here is probably my second favorite thing that I tried on. What's up guys, it's Bree and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be an AMI Clubwear try on haul. This is not sponsored. I'm not at that point yet, but they were nice enough to send me over a couple of pieces to try on for you guys, and me being a plus size girl, I felt like why not. We be needing places to shop too, because you know when you plus size sometimes you're kind of limited to a certain amount of stores, and AMI Clubwear does have a plus size section. All of these clothes are not from the plus size section, but it is nice to know of another website that does sell plus size clothes. But I'm scared because I've never tried on clothes from here before, so I have no idea how they're gonna fit, and I wanted my reactions to be totally raw and in the moment, so I have not looked at anything in the box already. All I did was open it. This is gonna be a first impressions for the both of us. So if you guys like my try on hauls, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you like me, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. So this is the box of stuff that they sent me, and it just says amiclubwear.com on it, and I thought that was a cute touch. Apparently I got a black two-piece knit outfit, sexy black two-piece outfit, crop top, biker shorts, bodycon, sexy black off-the-shoulder casual two-piece dress athletic outfit, black off-the-shoulder ruffled party dress, black zip-up short sleeve jumpsuit, and then a wine long sleeves off the shoulder casual dress. Now I sent a lot of links and I'm only pretty positive about 3 of these things, so we are going to see what happens. I really hope that everything fits, but like I said, we'll see. Aww, look at how cute this packaging is. So this is the jumpsuit, and I got this jumpsuit in a 1X. It fits so fucking good. Chill days, like my off days, my filming days, my editing days, this is it. This off the shoulder thing is giving me like the most limited mobility. It's pissing me off low-key. This must be the athletic set that I ordered. So it just comes with this like little bandeau type crop top ordeal, and then these sleeves. Y'all, I do not know if my fat ass is going to fit into this. I'm gonna try to make it work because I really want it to work, but look at how little this is. My boobs are so big and my arms are really fat, but it's okay. We're gonna see. This one right here is fitting me exactly like how I thought it would fit. This little itty bitty tiny amount of cloth is not big boob girl friendly. My only suggestion for them would maybe to be, you know, keep big titty girls in consideration with things like this. So I ordered this like it's very summery, very kind of old school vibe-ish to me. It's a dress and it's like kind of bandeau-ish, and these are the sleeves, and it just buttons down, and I thought it would be so cute with some sandals in the summer. I totally see the concept of this dress. I probably should tie the thing around, but knowing me, I'd lose that, so I probably won't use the tie. I don't hate this. It does make me feel kind of homely. I also ordered a little biker set outfit, and this is like so me. I live in these in the summer. I'm almost positive that this is gonna fit because I have something similar from Fashion Nova. It's not the exact same, nor is it the same material, but I have a feeling it's gonna fit, and I got this in a size large. This fits exactly like how I thought it was gonna fit, which is freaking perfect. This would be my 3rd favorite thing on the list of things that I like. I personally love sets like this. Now that I know how much I like it, I kind of wish I would have got it in another color. Get this, y'all. Great. It's so great. Like, I low-key kind of want to leave it on, but kind of gotta keep the video going. So this is the knit outfit that I got. So it's a knit bandeau and then a knit. I'm gonna say this is kind of like, it's not full length midi, but it's close enough. This material, I'm not sure what kind of shoes I'm gonna wear with like a knit bandeau type outfit or bandeau. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. And I got this in a size extra large. When I try this on, don't judge my rolls because I do have those, okay? I'm not skinny. I really do enjoy this. Please don't pay too much attention to all of this in here. I'm not a skinny bitty at all. It's a really thick material, which I prefer in my like skirt type outfits. I hate when like the material is super thin and you can see the panty line and the panty color. Like, that's not cute. But I don't really have any complaints. Like, I'm not skinny, so you know, it doesn't fit like perfect up in here where my little handles are. But I really like this skirt set, and I would most definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. Last but not least is this. This is a dress. I think it's kind of a mini dress, but it's one of those ones that's off the shoulder and it feels super stretchy. I'm really hoping that this fits me nicely. I'm a dress and sneakers type of girl, so I was thinking of wearing this maybe like just out with my friends on like a chill day. I have some sneakers that will go with it really well. Maybe my Air Force Ones, I don't know, we'll see. Like, when I say it out loud, it sounds crazy, but the way I'm picturing it, like, it's gonna look really nice. I like it. This on a night out, like especially summer nights when we hit the bars. Oh my gosh, like, it's really gonna be cute. I just want to say thank you to AMI Clubwear for sending me over this package. Like I said, this isn't a sponsored video, but this is the first company that's ever actually sent me something, and I am so freaking grateful. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was completely unbiased. I'm gonna give my 100% opinion no matter what, because like, I'm a small channel. Why would I not give my opinion? Ain't nobody banking on me lying. I'm a plus size person, and I want to make sure that my plus size gals know what the heck they're getting themselves into before they shop anywhere. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Comment down below what your favorite piece was. Their website will also be linked in my description box. And subscribe if you're not already. If you guys have any video requests, let me know. Shoot me a DM, all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.
Our first kiss in the living room. That's a hella way to end the night. A hella way to end the night.